The meetings held in Dubai between the President of the Republic of Somaliland, H.E. Cabdiraxmaan Maxamed Cabdillaahi, Cirro, and Prince Edward, Duke of Edinburgh, as well as Sir Gavin Williamson. Carry significant strategic meaning, particularly in the wake of Israel becoming the first United Nations member state to formally recognize Somaliland's independence. The significance of these meetings and the new diplomatic context. Strengthening international recognition. Israel's recognition in December 2025 broke a diplomatic barrier that had constrained Somaliland for more than 3 decades. President Cirro's meeting with Prince Edward, a senior member of the British royal family, signals that Somaliland is now operating within a higher diplomatic tier, opening a new chapter in its relationship with the United Kingdom. Support from UK allies. The presence of Sir Gavin Williamson, one of Somaliland's strongest advocates in the UK Parliament, highlights that recognition. Efforts in Britain have moved beyond advocacy into an implementation phase, marked by engagement with senior political and royal leadership. Regional cooperation and security, as Somaliland becomes increasingly aligned with the Israel-led framework associated with the Abraham Accords. The Dubai meetings underscore Somaliland's strategic importance to Red Sea security and the Bab al-Mandeb corridor, an area of vital interest to Western powers, including the United Kingdom. Investment confidence. Held on the sidelines of the World Government's Summit 2026, the meeting provided Somaliland with a platform to present itself as a stable state entering a new phase of international recognition, thereby enhancing its attractiveness to foreign investors. In conclusion, the Dubai engagement demonstrates that Israel's recognition has paved the way for Somaliland to be treated as a sovereign state, engaging directly with royal institutions and some of the world's most influential governments. See more. Share, like, follow Ogal Media.